What to do after a U.S. visa refusal? Can you appeal? Getting a visa refusal can feel like hitting a wall, but it's not the end of the road. Many people wonder what steps they can take next and if they can challenge the decision. Let's break down what you should do after a visa denial and whether an appeal is possible. First, you need to carefully review the refusal notice from the U.S. Embassy or Consulate. This document explains why your visa was denied. It might say you did not prove strong enough ties to your home country or failed to meet specific eligibility requirements. Understanding the exact reason is key to deciding your next move. For most non-immigrant visas like tourist, student, or work visas, there is no formal appeal process. If your visa was refused under Section 214(b) of U.S. immigration law, it means you did not convince the officer you have enough ties to return home. Since you cannot appeal this decision, your best option is to reapply later. When reapplying, make sure to address the reasons for your previous denial. For example, provide stronger proof of your financial stability, better evidence of your ties to your country, or correct any errors in your application. Immigrant visas, such as those for family or employment, sometimes offer options for review or appeal. You might be able to request a reconsideration or submit additional documents to support your case. This process can be complicated and often requires submitting an appeal through the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services or the Board of Immigration Appeals. Consulting an immigration lawyer can help you understand if an appeal is worth pursuing and how to do it properly. If appealing isn't an option or if it doesn't succeed, the next step is to prepare a new application. Focus on strengthening your case by including more detailed documents. For example, if your previous application lacked proof of employment, include recent pay stubs or a letter from your employer. If financial proof was weak, add bank statements or tax records. Remember, simply resubmitting the same information without changes is unlikely to succeed. For Latino families going through consular processing, it's important to fully understand why your visa was refused before trying again. Most non-immigrant visa refusals cannot be appealed but can be followed by a new application. Make sure to carefully address the reasons for denial in your new submission. If your case involves an immigrant visa or the refusal reason is complicated, seeking legal advice can be very helpful. Patience is important during this process. Reapplications and any potential appeals can take time, so stay calm and prepared. Focus on gathering stronger evidence and understanding the specific reasons for your visa denial. This way, your next attempt will be more informed and better positioned for success.